Yeah, so we've had issues over the years with people trying to break in. So we've had the barbed wire since we've owned it. So we're here in Philadelphia at one of my favorite shops. It may look kind of small here in the front. We have 4 bays out, but let me show you around back here.
What's up, Ty? How you been? Good. How you been? Good.
Swapping the motor on this thing.
Oh, is it from this?
Yeah.
What's a motor swap like, cost-wise?
I have no idea. What do you got going over here?
The lady came in for an oil change last week, and I think she got confused.
Yeah, okay.
Thinking she needed another oil change.
Oh yeah. Man, look at this. Holy moly. We got all the snacks.
Trying.
This isn't just for Halloween, is it either, right?
How you guys doing today?
Pretty good. This is Ryan. We're gonna be shooting some video and some
Ryan, how you doing today?
people buy the snacks.
Oh, absolutely.
You got a money jar up here?
No, I got a little list on the side there so they know how much they owe.
That was the price list. That was the tab.
What's the hot item?
Sodas, of course.
Oh man, this goes all the way back.
All the way back, yes, sir.
You got dates on this thing?
Try and keep everybody happy, though. See, with that, you walk across the street or whatever for the next 5 or 10 minutes when see you, versus just coming here and
Yeah.
saying, here, Ray, here's $1.
How often do they have to settle up? End of payday? You're walking around on Friday. On Friday?
He is like a bookie.
Yeah. Uh-oh, Chris, $17. That's running up a tab right there. Is everything $1?
Just about, if not cheap. Well, I can't charge $1 for a small little reason.
Yeah.
But yeah,
Green Sun.
Moon punch.
I don't know, but I'm about to try
Dude,
it.
for $1,
For $1, it's only one way to
dude, it
find
glows
out.
in the dark. The liquid or the container?
Exactly.
This is one of the only shops we got automated doors, not automated, but motorized doors.
Did they come with it, or did you guys install them?
I mean, we installed them at some point, but it's been years, probably 10 years. It's pretty nice though. Each door has a button, and then they have like a control panel back here, so they can also open them from there, which is pretty cool. 1 donut. You want one? Let me guess.
All right, let me see. I'm gonna let you go. What I'm gonna get? Here it comes.
We got to stare at it.
I guess I gotta stare. I'm not even gonna look. I'm just gonna say it. What do you think?
I think you're gonna do sprinkles.
No.
Oh, sour cream. All right, good choice.
Surprise everybody. Thank you, sir.
Good choice. Pumpkin spice. 'Tis the season.
This is a record donut run. Taking this from that,
All right, so we've got ABS lights on, brake lights on, something else I can't read. Dude, speaking of gashes and tires, let's see this one up is. Where they hit a curb and then it it really.
Oh yeah, it would be. I got you. Yeah.
According to him, I never had an accident. Every light's on. If you look at lights on.
So what are you looking for in this thing?
Tell you when to start
See what the
at.
codes are.
Diags and everything. You already know you had an accident, but you ain't saying nothing.
Yeah.
You already got front end damage. I never hit anything.
All right, teach me how to use this thing. What do I gotta click?
Okay. Here, I'll even give you the big boy.
I'll get the pen? Yeah, I need the pen.
There you go.
Is this yours? Yeah.
$4,000 later.
Yeah, $4,000. Left, right. All right.
Hold that.
So which one are we going first? All right, right front.
Got any movement like a 2 or a 4?
That'd be right front, right over here.
Front.
So we got 0.
got it.
So our right rear. Hold on a second.
It's okay. You're getting it. It's okay.
Why don't we 2, 1,
5, so it's readable.
left rear, 3, 4. Yep, that's
Okay, so
good.
that's readable.
This is right front 0.
Okay.
0,
so
0,
something's
0,
going on
0.
with This side that they had all this.
And it makes sense if they just did a bunch of work up there.
Exactly. So that's how you start. So he knew that.
There you go.
He knew that. He knew where you're going.
It's possible they didn't even hook it up, right?
It's possible.
You got the wheel lock?
Of course not, because he didn't tell you this, so I got to turn it off anyway.
Yeah. Certain lug nuts that have a different pattern. So yeah, like these are like traditional, like hex, and then this one's like different. And so there's a specific key, a key, essentially a wheel lock it's called, to undo those, is so your wheels don't get stolen. Because like a thief, in the city or whatever. Most cars have wheel locks. It's pretty common. So when you buy it, sometimes they have it in the trunk, and we don't really want to go rummaging through people's stuff. So you should just ask. Or it's like, what are you talking about? And they have no idea, and then we have to break them off essentially to get them off. So here we got the towing. Need some tires. The tire's like coming apart, right? So it's got a bad alignment, right? So the car is like literally riding on this part of the tire right here. Something up here would be broken, which then causes, that type of issue. So these are worn out, and then obviously this is the one that came in flat.
Yeah, it's up to them.
Yeah, it's off the rim.
No. good.
Anything else on this?
No, she uses it as for tires. I would check the filter, check the bearing. Little
Yeah.
hybrid car.
Yes, this is nuts. So they built this thing years ago, and there's like a parking garage here. It's kind of hard to see, obviously, but they dug out this whole thing to add parking. You know, obviously, massive building. These are all bad tires that we've replaced. Yeah, you can see all the issues, right? So there's like a hole in this one. You can see like, yeah, there's like a nail. Like
Yeah.
there's a nail in that one.
All the stores should have a competition for worst tire.
Oh yeah, I mean.
Who finds the worst? People try and break in.
Yeah, so we've had issues over the years with people trying to break in. So we've had the barbed wire since we've owned it. Generally, if they want to break in, they will over here, right? They'll cut out and pull up the bottom. You know, like this one, you can see it's like peeled back, and so they'll cut and peel it back to try to get in, and then. I don't know if they're gonna steal, like everything's locked down at night, too, but yeah, we've had issues over the past, but it's not that often. One of the questions I get a lot is how much of the real estate do we own? This is one of the parcels that I do own. We've owned it for a number of years now, and so, you know, it makes sense, you know, when we own the building to build on like this. Obviously, if we're renting, you know, it wouldn't make sense. And you know, this area's developed a ton over the years. As you can see, they built this massive apartment building, some retail on the bottom. You know, that used to be kind of like a rundown little strip center, now huge. I mean, we've had multiple offers to buy this real estate to build stuff like that, and you know, we're have no interest in selling, as we've obviously got a pretty good business, and you know, it's hard to come by automotive real estate. Yeah, so it looks like we've got I think this was a KFC or a Boston Market. I'm not sure. It was one of the two. And obviously we've got a
Cereal dumper.
a cereal dumpster. It looks like it was in the dumpster and then it fell over, and someone probably went ravaging through this thing to find some goodies. Yeah, maybe the raccoons, maybe the drug addicts. I don't know. So when did that? Was that a KFC or a Boston Market?
No,
Was it KFC? Yeah.
Shut down now. So buy lunch today.
How long has it been closed?
Over a year now.
Over a year. Yeah, it's too bad. It's a good spot.
Right over the deli now.
Okay. Ray's Deli.
No.
There
Guys,
Ray's
you go, bro.
Dies Deli.
We got the stuff.
What's your favorite sandwich? What would you make?
I don't know what I ordered, Dad. The pastrami.
Oh,
Ham
pastrami.
and cheese.
Pastrami's good. Hot pastrami.
Yeah, oh yeah.
You ever been to Cat's Deli or in New York City?
Okay.
It's real famous. It's like $20, you know, for like a.
It better be a
Yeah, I know.
$20.
Yeah, I know. It might be more.
But at Dodge Deli, you got buy one get one free. If you go down there,
Yeah.
you see a refrigerator,
It dies.
microwave,
Okay.
all that good stuff.
And he doesn't charge, right?
Hey, he said he's got an app. You can just put it in the app.
Oh yeah, microwave, fridge. Yep.
I thought it was an actual deli.
Yeah. So did I.
Dodge retires. That's gonna be a side job.
Making sandwiches. The Wawa, Sheets, and
There you go.
Royal Farms and Dies Deli. Killing me.
Never would I do that to you.
Pretty good ticket, 2 tires, alignment, oil change, air filter. Yeah, so one of the big parts of our business is consumer financing. So we have a lot of people who don't want to pay for the whole thing out of pocket. Maybe they can't. And so we have a number of programs to help make it affordable. You know, one's for people that have great credit, or we have ones that have no credit. And so utilizing these programs, we do about 30% of our business through it. And a lot of times we can, you know, bring a customer back within 5 minutes, you know, get them approved for one of the programs. You know, we get paid the next day, and then, you know, the customer has, you know, whatever, 3, 6, 12 months to kind of make the payments to the third party. And so anyway, it's a great program. We have a lot of customers who come back and get more work done, you know, after they kind of pay off the first loan on the car. They come back and get them more and more. And, you know, we find that customers who utilize any one of these programs, it really doesn't matter which one, they end up spending twice as much with us, and they visit us twice as often. And so it ends up being like 4 times, you know, as much business from somebody who, you know, can come in here and we can help make it affordable versus customers that just come in and pay, you know, cash. And so no matter what they need, you know, we have programs that can help make it affordable. And so anyway, Charles here is said one of the best guys in the company at it. Yeah, even today we just got a customer approved for some work, and I think he's on the phone right now with somebody else to get another one. So she get financed?
She's going to work on it. So
Okay.
She's gonna,
Either way, she wants to get it done.
she's
Yeah.
going to get it done. Yep.
225.50, 225.50. Yeah, so it's that. It starts over there. Yeah, and then that's a 215. Yeah. Sure, I got the right one here. When you throw down tires, you always want to throw them flat, because if you throw them this way, they can go crazy. So the last thing we need is the boss hurting somebody with a tire. So if you had OCD, you get all the tires so that the labels are in a row. And then you see what you got. And then the goal is for up the higher ones, put it down so then the label's like right there.
Success.
The motor is like, you know, it's not easy.
It's heavy.
It's heavy. You know, I'm sure it's like within a fraction of an inch that we have to like get it lined up perfect, and it just takes time. And
What is it?
it's peach.
Air freshener?
Yeah, it's air freshener.
I want to not eat them, but like squish them.
I'm sure you could if you wanted. This whole place is gonna smell like peach.
Yeah. That and some lunar punch.
Oh my God, that's all I smell right now. What's some of the craziest stuff you've seen here?
I plead the fifth.
Oh, come on.
Long have you been manager here? Here it's been about, I'm gonna say 6 years. I was at Roxborough location. That's where I started at, yep.
Then we hired you at maintenance, right? Tracy hired you?
That was 2016.
All right, so 10 years. So you worked your way up from maintenance guy to
Maintenance guy.
managing partner, one of our best
Yep.
managers. So
Process, but well worth it. Like, Germantown is where you want to be.
What's your favorite part of like running the store?
Just the family-oriented lifestyle we have here. It's just,
Very like.
it's like work, but then it's not work, and we take care of each other, and it's just like a brotherhood. It's pretty cool.
I like that.
Plus the customers like it, so that's a plus.
all your customers seem real friendly and, you know, trust you guys. And
Yep. Try to keep familiar faces here and keep it going. And
Yeah, I
you
bet-
guys shop in the neighborhood you want to go to.
I bet we got one of the longest tenures too for you. I mean, you see 6 years here. Ray's been here how long, Ray?
I've been here 2013.
2013, yeah. So 12 years. Di's been here a long time.
So you got some customers that come in and just ask for Ray.
I don't blame them. Rain died.
Yeah, Ray and Di.
Ray's gonna die. What was that?
I remember I was here once, and the guys would be coming in with the big coat and trying to sell.
Yep.
The one guy was selling socks, I think.
Well, they still do.
They
believe
still
that.
sell socks? Yeah.
Socks. Yeah, guys come in. You want some detergent?
It's a detergent?
Yeah.
Did you buy any?
Yeah, okay.
Do you ever buy anything that they come in with?
Just to make them happy. I think one time I brought up like a pack of soap from them. Oh, if you need anything else, I said no. Just the soap.
Just the soap.
Good.
Yeah. Just the soap.
Okay.
Pretty-
You got some skills.
He's pretty good.
Skills.
That's 2-point perspective.
Except he doesn't know how to spell Midas, but
Well, I ran
Get
out
your
of
etch a
room.
sketch.
I know.
Gotta get your etch a sketch to try it on there, huh?
Yeah, well, these poles are wrong.
You got some skills.
I know.
You got some
Thank you.
skills.
Thanks.
It's got the barbed wire and everything.
Yeah, I did that detail.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Kick it.
I want it to be accurate.
I think it is our only shop with barbed wire, so. All right, reverse lights are good, brake lights are good, blinker's good, blinker's good. What's it in for? ABS? Yeah, your favorite. This is the ABS bay. This one we should be able to do something there, right?
Yeah, we want to find out.
Oh my God, look at this tire. I think this was the hot coolant burning this thing, man.
You might be hitting rock.
This
This is a big rock.
I don't know. This is like,
It's a long rock.
I don't know. It's nuts. Still gotta put all this crap back in. Hopefully remember where everything goes.
Whoa.
One of the cool things about, why I make videos online is it creates a lot of opportunities. I had a guy on Saturday send me a property saying, hey, I found this property that's closed in New Jersey and, maybe it could be a good shop for you. So anyway, I got the address and we're gonna go check it out and see if it's something that could be a good shop for us. But this happens, I don't wanna say weekly, but I would say 2 or 3 times a month. People are sending me locations saying, hey, I thought of you, check this out. If it's anything in the kind of the Philly, Jersey area, we're up for it. And so anyway, it'd be cool once we finally end up doing a deal that we got because of the videos and all the stuff that we make here. Anyway, here's the shop. Yeah, it's pretty big. It's funny, when you go into Street View over here, you can tell it used to be a Goodyear. This is 4 years ago, I think I saw, across the street from an AutoZone. So
Classic.
definitely has potential. We'll figure it out. All right, Charles, I'm heading out. Keep up the good work. See you. Good job diffusing. Let's see you. Good seeing you. Appreciate it.
Always a pleasure.
Nice meeting you.
All right, I'm heading out. I'll see you. Keep up the good work. Appreciate it. Di's Deli open? It's lunchtime. I'll see you.
Okay.
Keep up the good work. Appreciate it.